Well guys, it's 6 in the morning. I just watched some of the road trip pics and videos. Just thought maybe I can make a video for you guys. As you can see here, Clement and Pierre's shoes are still hanging, and the letter L still there when Clem was trying to practice his Kazakh painting magic. It's an interesting morning, as you can see. I'm still sober, by the way, not drunk. We have the new handicap, or I should say retard, parking, and bedbug bed right there. Blame it on Winnie, of course. As you can see, all the chairs and tables are outside because we got new ones. And right there you can see my stupid car that I just got towed a few hours ago to the iHouse. And of course Winnie's car, still okay, no accidents yet. The birds are singing, by the way. Eduardo was right, but we still don't know why they are singing.